Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tara and this is my daughter Ellie. This is the Reclaimed Ranch and today's the big day for the giveaway. So we're going to go ahead and give away the IOD seed catalog as well as the Wander transfer. And so we've had several comments come in and we went ahead and chose a winner, and for that it is going to be Josephine Wilson 6268. So congratulations. So what you want to do is go ahead and email me at thereclaimedranch.com. That way I can get a hold of you and I will give you a code word to then go back into this original comment from last week's post. And you'll put the code word in there. Once I see that, then I'll know it's validated, that it's really you and not a scammer trying to get your transfers. And then you can go ahead and email me your address and we'll get those shipped out. So again, congratulations. And for the next video, I'm working on some furniture flips, so be on the lookout for that. We'll see you soon and have a wonderful day. Bye.